Hi friends, welcome to SPK English Academy. In today's class, I am going to discuss The Girl Who Was Anne Frank Lessons 22 MCQs. These MCQs will help you to prepare well for the next coming examination. So please watch this video from beginning to end, and if it is necessary, you better to note down the questions in your notebook. So let us go to the questions. First question is like this. The Diary of Anne Frank has been published in dash languages. Options 20, 21, 19, 18. The right answer 19. Anne Frank's diary was made into play by Francis Good, Albert Hackett, Steven Spielberg, both A and B. The right answer is both A and B. It means Francis Good and Albert Hackett made Anne Frank's diary into a play. Question number 3. Anne Frank play won dash prizes. Nobel Prize, O. Henry, Pulitzer, National Prize. Correct answer is Pulitzer Prize. Question number 4. Anne Frank's play ran into London for 6 months in Globe Theatre, Swan Theatre, Lord Theatre, Phoenix Theatre. The answer is Phoenix Theatre. Question number 5. Otto Frank was a soldier, businessman, banker, lawyer. The right answer is banker. Question number 6. Otto Frank's first daughter was Margot, Amelia, Clarissa, Mary. The right answer is Margot. Question number 7. Anneliese Mary was usually called as Amelia, Tenderheart, and Amma. The right answer is Anne. Question number 8. In 1933, Otto Frank decided to emigrate to A. Holland, B. Greenland, C. Netherlands, D. Poland. The right answer is Netherlands. The partner of Otto Frank was Mr. Van Daan, Mr. Harris, Mr. Berger, Mr. Hendrik. Mr. Van Daan is the partner of Otto Frank. The hidden place of Otto Frank and Mr. Van Daan in Amsterdam is A. Annex, B. Temple, C. Church, D. School. The right answer is A. Annex. They were hiding in Annex. Question number 11. Otto Frank's typist was, means who was the typist of Otto Frank? Ernell, Meyer, Don Anderson. Option B is correct. Meyer is the Otto Frank's typist. In her hiding place, Anne wrote mostly about her adolescence, thoughts and feelings, her longing and loneliness, all the above. The right answer is all the above. Option D is correct. Mr. Van Don's son was dash years old. 18, 19, 17, 16. The right answer is 17 years old. Mr. Frank was died of or from heart attack, fever, exhaustion, cold. Right answer is exhaustion. Next question. Anne died in March 1945, 1944, 1943, 1946. A. 1945. Otto Frank got his daughter's diary by his servant, friend, wife, typist. The right answer is option D, the typist. 17. Otto Frank gave the diary to his friend who was a professor in human sciences, natural sciences, modern history, social sciences. Modern history. Otto Frank's friend was a professor in modern history. Next question. Which of the following is not correct about Anne's diary publication? This number is the number of the copies which were sold in that particular country of when Anne's diary was published. A. In Britain 2,50,000, in Japan 2,60,000, in United States 4,35,000, in Dutch 1,50,000. Right answer is no, which is the wrong answer is Japan. 19. A statue of Anne was presented to Otto Frank by A. Japanese girls, B. A Dutch sculptress, C. An artist, D. A musician of Britain. The correct option is B. A Dutch sculptress presented Anne's statue to Otto Frank. Next question. Money was collected in Vienna for Anne Frank forest to plant the trees in. Read the question clearly. Money was collected in Vienna for Anne Frank's forest to plant the trees in Germany, Britain, Netherlands, Israel. The correct option is question number 21. The last resting place of Anne Frank was. Where was Anne buried? Option C is the right answer. Bergen-Belsen is the last resting place of Anne Frank. Last question. Who suggested to offer flowers on the grave of Anne? A Hamburg student, a Dutch sculptress, Japanese girls, Kuno Apple. The right answer is a Hamburg student. So students, so these are the 22 questions which I have set on the girl who was Anne Frank lesson. These may come in your examination or not, but these will definitely help you to answer the multiple choice question in your examination. You'll get the idea how the multiple choice questions are framed and how to answer the multiple choice questions. So please share this video to your friends and like the video, and also comment if there is any wrong answer, and also subscribe to this channel for latest updates regarding first language English 10th class. Thank you for watching this video.